Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to link Instagram to TikTok. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on TikTok app.
একটা মেয়ের দিকে তাকিয়ে আমরা সর্বোচ্চ 5 মিনিট মজা নেই।
Then click on profile icon and tap on three line option. Okay, and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down, tap on account. Okay, then back, tap on edit profile and click on links option. Just click and tap on add Instagram and phone number or username or email and password and link to Instagram and TikTok. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.